Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this simple and easy crochet flower. And let's get to it. Let's get started. Purple yarn. Okay, this is acrylic and I will be using a 5.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to start with, we will be doing a slip knot. Okay, wrap around. Okay, and after that pull it. Okay, and pull that through. Okay, so we'll be starting from here. Okay, so with this one I'll be chaining 5. Okay, and then 5 chain and slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, so maybe I should take this away so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so from here we will be chaining 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then from there, this middle part here, we will be doing a double crochet. Okay, and then chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Chain 1, 2 double crochet. Chain 1, 2 double crochet. So you can adjust as well, guys. You can adjust whatever you want. Okay, so we have to have a pair of 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are going to add 4 more. Chain 1 and then 2 double crochet. Okay, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one more. We need one more. Okay, and then after that we have to chain 1. Okay, and slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, so after that we're just going to fasten this off. And cut it off. Okay, so just a recap. Okay, we can pull that. Okay, so what we have here, is 2 pairs. Okay, 2 pairs of 8 pairs of double crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Okay, so that's it. And then next is I'm going to use this pink. Okay, sorry guys, it wasn't ready. Okay, so okay, then what we're going to do, okay, you can create a slip knot or anything you want. Okay, so any insert your yarn into any space one. Okay, so anywhere you want. So I'm just going to slip stitch over here. Okay, and then after that, chain 3, okay, and we're going to double crochet. Okay, 3 times. Okay, and then straight we're jumping into the next one and create a 4 double crochet. Okay, so jumping to the next one, 4 double crochet. And the next, 4 double crochet. Okay, into the next. So we're just putting 4 double crochet in the space 1. Okay, and jump to the next. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and then next. Okay, and next. And we have to slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, slip stitch and then fasten it off. Okay, okay, so next one. Okay, I'm grabbing my white. Okay, okay, and you can insert it anywhere you want. Okay, and we are going to chain 3, okay, and then add one more, okay, and one more, okay, so 1 2 3, chain 2, and then 3 more. Okay, and straight to the other side. Okay, create 3 double crochet, okay, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. Okay, and you just have to continue that, okay, until you finish the round. Okay, so 3, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet, okay, and continue that, guys, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and you go around, and I'll see you when I get here. Okay, guys, so I got into my end, and from here is we're going to slip stitch, and we're going to start the next round here. So I want you to slip stitch twice, okay, so you get into the 2 chains. Okay, from here we're going to chain 3, okay, and we are going to make our double crochet here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so after that we're going to slip stitch here, and we are going to do the double crochet, 9 double crochet again. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then slip stitch, okay, and we're going to do a double crochet again, 9 double crochet in the chain 2 space. Okay, and you are just going to do that, okay, until you finish the row, and then the next row will be changing. We are going to change our color. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, and then after that you're just going to slip stitch here. Okay guys, okay, so after you finish that, you go make double crochet all around, and I'll see you when I finish. Okay guys, so this is what I made. Okay, so when you finish, you just have to slip stitch into the last one. Okay, connect the two. Okay, and slip stitch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. That's pretty cute as well. That's pretty cute. Hello guys, so this is the final project. Okay, so I have cute. All done, and you can just waving off all the tails, and we are done, and that is really cute. Thank you very much guys. Bye.